Welcome everyone to today's session. Today we're going to be going over the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. So let me share my screen and then we can get started. Okay, so AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. So a quick introduction on what this is. So the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework is a quick proliferation of digital technologies that have accelerated change and been able to increase competition across different market industries. So, sustaining any particular competitive advantage has become difficult over time, and because of this, enterprises are being forced to recreate themselves in increasingly shorter time intervals. An example of this is how 50% of companies on the S&P 500 are projected to be replaced in the next decade. One's ability to effectively leverage cloud to digitally transform cloud readiness is supported by a set of foundational and organizational abilities. AWS CAF's role is to locate these um, capabilities and give a customized guidance that thousands of organizations around the world have successfully used in order to accelerate their cloud transformation journeys. AWS and the partner network provide resources that are able to help you each step of the way. And AWS Professional Services is a worldwide team of professionals that provide assistance through a collection of AWS CAF aligned offerings that can help you achieve your specific desired outcomes for your business and company. So now these are the table of contents on what we're going to be going over throughout this slideshow. So we just went through the introduction and we'll get more into on what CAF is, the benefits of CAF, how it actually works, and different scenarios and use cases where you'd be able to utilize it. Okay, so number one, what actually is CAF? So the definition is a framework that helps organizations efficiently relocate to Amazon Web Services. The use is to identify organizational capabilities that improve cloud readiness, and the capabilities are business, people, governance, platform, security, and also operations. So the we have six capabilities. One of them is business, and this helps to make sure that cloud investments actually accelerate digital transformation ambitions and business results. The common stakeholders for this include the Chief Executive Officer, which you also know as the CEO, the Chief Financial Officer, which is also known as the CFO, the Chief Operations Officer, which is the COO, the Chief Information Officer, which is the CIO, and the Chief Technology Officer, which is the CTO. For people, which is the next capability, CAF acts as a connection between both technology and business. It quickens the cloud journey in order to help organizations evolve. It invents a culture of continuous growth and learning. And because of this, change becomes normal for the business. And and it focuses on culture, organizational structure, leadership, the workforce, And common stakeholders for this include the CIO, which is, as you can see under business, the Chief Information Officer, COO, which is the Chief Operations Officer, and the CTO, which is the Chief Technology Officer, the Cloud Director, and also cross-functional and enterprise-wide leaders. The two next capabilities that we have are both governance and platform. So for governance, CAF helps you to coordinate cloud initiatives. It maximizes the organizational benefits and works to minimize transformation related risks. And common stakeholders for this include the Chief Transformation Officer, the CIO, the CTO, the CFO, the Chief Data Officer or the CDO, and finally, the Chief Risk Officer, which is also known as the CRO. For the next capability, which is platform, CAF helps to build an enterprise grade, scalable, hybrid cloud platform. It helps to modernize existing workloads, apply new cloud native solutions, and common stakeholders for this will include the CTO, other technology leaders, architects, and also other engineers which may be present. Security and operations. So here, AWS CAF helps to achieve confidentiality, of course, integrity, and availability of data and cloud workloads. Common stakeholders for this include the Chief Information Security Officer, the Chief Compliance Officer, internal audit leaders, and security architects and engineers. For operations, CAF helps to guarantee that cloud services are delivered at a level that meets the needs of your business. And common stakeholders for this are going to include infrastructure and operations leaders, site reliability engineers, and also information technology service managers. Alright, so this is a diagram that shows cloud readiness and the six capabilities which we talked about are seen on the left of the diagram, which are again business, people, governance, platform, security, and operations. Okay. And operations. So next to business is strategy management, portfolio management, data monetization, innovation management, product management, business insights, and data science, along with strategic partnership. Next to people, by the way, these are just main ideas under cloud readiness under each of the six capabilities. So next to people, there's transformational leadership, cloud fluency, workforce transformation, or organizational alignment, change acceleration, culture evolution, and also organization design. Next to governance, there's risk management, data governance, program and project management, application portfolio management, data curation, cloud financial management, and also benefits management. Next to platform, there's platform architecture, provisioning and orchestration, continuous integration and delivery, platform engineering, modern application development, data architecture, and data engineering. Next is security. There's security governance, identity and access management, infrastructure protection, data protection, threat detection, incident response, vulnerability management, security assurance, and also application security. And finally, next to operations, we have change and release management, configuration management, event management, observability, incident and problem management, performance and capacity management, application management, patch management, and last but not least, availability and continuity management. Alright, moving on, let's talk about the benefits that CAF bring you when you decide to use it. So I have four main governance benefits here, which include lower business risk, increased revenue, a boosted efficiency, and improved government and social relations. So for lower business risk, this includes reliability, performance, and security. For increased revenue, this includes creating products or services and being able to reach customers. Boosted efficiency just means lower costs and better productivity. And improved government and social relations is improved transparency, and also corporate truth. Now let's talk about how CAF actually works. Alright, so we have four main ways on this slideshow, on this slide, on how CAF works, and this includes envisioning, aligning, launching, and also scaling. So for envisioning, you can identify and prioritize transformation opportunities in line with your specific strategic objectives. You will be able to associate your transformation initiatives with key stakeholders and measurable business outcomes. And this is ultimately going to help you show value as you make progress throughout your specific transformation journey. For aligning, this will identify capability gaps and cross organizational dependencies, and CAF will help you create strategies for the following. So, for improving your cloud readiness, ensuring stakeholder alignment, and also facilitating relevant organizational change management activities. For launching, CAF is going to help you deliver pilots in production and demonstrate incremental business value. And for this, pilots should be highly impactful because of the fact that they will be influencing the future direction. And learning from pilots is going to help you change your approach before actually scaling to full production. Now, the last one is scale, and this means to grow pilots and business value to the desired scale and to ensure that the business benefits associated with your cloud investments are realized. And finally, number four, the use cases for the cloud adoption framework and how you're going to be able to utilize it in order to get the best product possible for your company or business. Alright, so four main use cases on the slide here, and these use cases are going to include technology, the process, organization, and of course the product. So for technology, AWS Cloud Adoption Framework is going to relocate and modernize legacy infrastructure, applications, and data with analytics platforms. A fun statistic over here states that cloud value benchmarking shows that relocating from on-premises to AWS actually leads to 27% reduction in cost per user, a 58% increase in VMs managed per admin, a 57% decrease in downtime, and a 34% decrease in security negative incidents. So just some statistics to keep in mind while considering CAF. For the process, CAF is going to digitize, automate, and optimize your business operations. And this may include using new data and analytics platforms in order to make actionable insights. So, using machine learning, also known as ML, to improve your customer service experience, employee productivity and decision making, business forecasting, fraud detection and prevention, and also industrial operations. For organization, CAF is going to reimagine how your business and technology teams create customer value and meet your specific strategic intent. Organizing your teams around products and value streams while leveraging agile methods to quickly change and evolve is going to help you become more responsive, and customer centric, which, as we have covered throughout many live streams in the past, customer centric is very important when running a startup and a business. For the product, CAF is going to assist you in reimagining your business model by making new value propositions and revenue models. And again, cloud value benchmarking, some more statistics over here, shows that adopting AWS leads to a 37% reduction in time to market for new features and applications, a 342% increase in code deployment frequency, and a 38% reduction in the time it takes to deploy new code. And finally, for our CAF conclusion, as technological innovation continues to grow, the need for continuous digital transformation is obviously going to become even more apparent. And the AWS CAF utilizes AWS experience and best possible practices in order to help you quicken your business outcomes through the innovative use of AWS and utilizing the Amazon Web Services Cloud Adoption Framework to identify and prioritize transformation opportunities, evaluate and improve your cloud readiness, and iteratively evolve your transformation roadmap. These are the things you will utilize it for, and the things which we covered in previous slides. This was the main website which we used to find all the information in the slideshow. And so if you'd like, you can pause the live stream now and go to this link to learn more about CAF. And of course, as always, we're going to have a video in the description of the live stream a couple minutes after the live stream has ended, so you can learn more about the framework. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we'll see you for the next live stream. Thank you.